Hey everyone, check this out. All the hall call buttons are lit up, but the elevator won't come. Let's find out why. Popped off the cover. Could be a bad board. First unplugged the connector to cut power. If the address codes were scrambled, the car might go to the wrong floor. Plugged it back in. Nope, address codes look fine. Wait, the car actually came to this floor. Down button light went out too. Just like that. Fixed. Pressed the button again. Nope. Still broken. Car won't come. Tried unplugging and replugging, still no luck. Changed the address code to another floors. Still nothing. Alright, time to swap the hall call board. But just as I started to uninstall it, found the real problem. Look right here. This wire is barely hanging on. Can't let it pinch the wire again. All fixed. Reconnected that wire properly. Now the hall call works perfectly. Car comes every time I call it. Classic wiring issue hiding in plain sight. Ever had this happen? Share below.